Okay, so today, guys, I decided to make no! Well, that's what I get for, oh god. That's what I get for using a tripod here, cameraman. I do not want that tripod anymore. Is it good? Okay. Well, apparently, that was the worst $60 spent that I have spent my whole life. But that's not the point. I should have read the reviews before using that thing. Why didn't I notice? So today, I decided to make, well not I decided to make, I already made it. I decided to make a silenced pistol, a Lego silenced pistol. The only feature that I have here is really the silencer, red dot sight, magazine, and a tactical rail. I'm gonna get that, and that is better. There's a piece missing, but that doesn't matter, and it's in there. Also, the new feature is that I put the silencer, tactical rail, and this thing. It's really just these two. I mean, I can make a better one. I mean, I could have, like, made it detailed, but no, lazy me decided to just do 1x2 and just slopes. Yeah, that's pretty. That's very pretty. Yeah, does that look pretty to you? Yeah, I don't think so. It's freaking sloppish. Also, the one thing that I have to tell you guys is that a lot of you people are saying, why did I take so long in making this thing? I didn't take long of making this thing. No. It's taken long because for some reason, specifically in Eagle Pass, Texas, specifically it snowed like 3 weeks ago, and for some reason snow was like no electricity, no water, and no food for 3 straight weeks with no internet. And that very much made my channel die. And that's why I'm uploading today, because barely yesterday the power turned on at our house. So yay. But also that took so long that my channel could have died and could have jumped in a hole. And then well, also there's another thing that one of you guys said, person said, is that how does this thing work? This work. Specifically the sliding mechanism. I'm going to tell you. I'm just going to put it right here and there. I have you 5 seconds. I'm looking at the counter of the video amount. Time's up. The reason is this stream because I have no idea how you did not see this because I left a 1x2 open so you could actually see what's inside of it, and it's like none of you ever saw it. And I'm just frustrated about it because I specifically just did not put a 1x4 there or 2x4 there. So you could literally see it right there, like a blue thing. And for some reason, some of you just thought, hey, that's a Lego piece. And that's not a Lego piece. On to the red dot sight. Red dot sight's not that complicated, just this. It's not even a red dot sight. If I had one of those light up bricks, and yes, it would have been a red dot sight if I literally just went on YouTube and put how to make a Lego red dot sight out of the light up bricks. Well, I guess that's the end of the video. I guess so.